What's up, Lucas gang? Hope you're doing good. If you do, it's your boy Brand Lucas, and this is a new video. Guys, I'm still at just around this morning, and it was a nice journey. It was awesome. It was very awesome, and I thank Fizo and Manil V for seeing me off to the bus station. I appreciate that, man, so much. You know, appreciate it. So when I arrived, my mom gave me some assignment here, man, to cook some chapatis. So I just want to do that right now. It's 1 o'clock. Let me see how fast I can do this. In the meantime, having to move from Nairobi has been a very difficult decision for me personally, although it also includes Melanie V. But yeah, I decided on it, man. You know, choices, when you make decisions, you have to pay for them somehow. Yeah, that good or bad, there's always advantages and disadvantages. Yeah, you know. Anyway, we are here. I'm still waiting for my mom to come back, expecting her to drive me tomorrow. Yeah, so because there are some few things that you wanted to pick from home that I really needed. Yeah, but anyway, I can't also wait to experience this. You know, I know it's going to be a good experience, meeting new people and starting a new life. I'll miss my baby, but you know, we are still in Kenya, man. We gotta see each other oftenly. You know, this decision has really given me deja vu, because back in what was that, 2014, I think, had an issue with KU, Kenyatta University, because Kenyatta University had, I don't know, they are just, I can say they just effed me up, man, so bad, because when I was joining the university, these people gave me a wrong letter. Like, it had my name and everything, but it was showing that I should be reporting at Kitui, and I didn't know I was supposed to go to report at Kitui. I just knew it after I had applied for the hostel. I didn't get the hostel, and now I went to the main campus to ask why I did not get hostel. So these people showed me that I had some symbol for Kitui campus on my admission number, KTI. So I could not do that. Could not get an hostel. So I felt bad, man. Meaning I had to go to Kitui now. So I went to Kitui. But when people are changing courses, I wanted to change I decided to change my course. So I applied to do film and theater because that's what I wanted to do so much. You know, days went by, people got their letters, I didn't get my letter back. I was not in any of the lists that were there, not approved or approved. It was really funny. It's like I didn't apply, you know. So I kept on having issues at Kitui because when students were voting, I could not vote. They had to wait. They don't watch because they're telling me admission numbers are an issue. People are getting IDs. I could not get ID easily. I was still using a temporary ID waiting for mine because my details. It was an issue. Even during exams, it was going to be hard because exam cards, man. I had to wait after people have been given and say and say that I didn't get mine, so that they process for me another one. So during long holiday after the first year, I just went through to the main campus to figure out why I'm having a lot of problem with my admission number since day one. These people are telling me that that the letter I was given was wrong, that I was supposed to be in the main campus but doing the same course but in the main campus. I was like, man, how year after all year they're telling me that I'm supposed to be in the main campus, we're doing the same course, but I'm supposed to be in the main campus. So I'm like, what really happened? I start questioning them. And now they explained to me that they are done a number of selections and everything. Just some, can I call it bureaucratic nonsense? Yeah. So I also find out that the time I'd applied to do the new course, my letter was approved. But since my admission number at the main campus was showing that I'm in a main campus, and yet I was in Kitui campus. What a crazy stuff is that, I was like, so my letter was, I was in the list at the main campus, and I was looking for myself at the Kitui campus because that's where I applied for. I'm wondering, this guy didn't notice even I'd applied with the KTI with a different admission number from the ones that was in main campus. Yeah. But I just transferred myself to campus for that matter. Yeah. So I felt this was not right. Yes, I rained hell there, I had to, man. I had to. So they told me that I had two options: to come to the main campus to continue my course, my psychology, manenos, or at second year now, or come to main campus and start first year for that film stuff now. I felt so bad, man. It looks good, man. After placing the oil, it's not sticky. Just amazing. Yeah, that time I was shocked. I was not shocked. I was like, man, what should I do? They gave me a few months to go and think about it. Like, the long holidays. Like it was July and I was supposed to report in September now. So I was like, what? But I needed to do film, man. That's what I wanted. That was what I was fighting for from the beginning. I had gotten used to the life at Kitui. Made new friends. Also met all my schoolmates that are there. Maybe one, others from other high schools that I knew. I'd made new friends now. It was crazy, hella funny, Shere. And then, so I went home. I told my parents, especially my dad was the worst, man. Hakuwa anaelewa hii mambo ya cinema. How can you just go to campus to study, to act? It was like for film technology. The only thing I was understanding is media and communication, mass communication. But it's different from that. It's okay. I went ahead and did it anyway. I went and started fresh. I was feeling weird because now these are new first years. You know how first years always are, man. So, psyched up, feeling so important. But yeah, that was that. I have to finish the whole flower, man. Yes, because I need more chapatis. That's what I can carry, man. There's still this here. So let's continue. I've added some more flour, but I need to be careful with this. Yeah, so I just went there. I also made new friends. Yeah, good people. People like Gambi stay. People like Gambi. I just met Gambi when I joined now to do film. He also came to do film in the same class. Yeah. It was a good experience. Graduated finally. But at the beginning it was crazy. It was hard transitioning. Starting a new friends, Nini. Also I was feeling, I'd done first year before. I went to talk to the deans. I went to talk to the dean and requested him. The dean, the chairman of the department. I requested him if I could just go and do the second year class and then I could just be chipping in and doing the first years at the same time, a few, I can just organize myself. He said, nah, boy, you gotta just do this thing with the first years. But anyway, I was still going to do the first year classes with the first year. Whatever I wanted to do. So coming back to this, it has really not been easy at all, man. It has been crazy, right? Crazy. Because I've gotten used to living with my baby and enjoying our new house. And now I'll just be popping in to enjoy it once in a while, sometimes. So it's crazy. But I know we'll work it out, me and my baby. Love wins anyway. Let her do her stuff that she has been doing at the city. Let me go and do my own thing. Yeah. Yeah. As a human being, you have to do what you have to do, right? Yeah. So maybe this could have been the best opportunity that I've been waiting for in my life. You never know in this life. So I'll continue updating you guys. Yeah. So I'm going to make 20. Yeah, 20 is a good number. I can eat some, I can carry some. Had to do this because I'm cooking this here. It's almost ready even. So I'm ready to do it. I'm ready to start a new life. But although I'm just anxious a little bit, imagining how it will be, the kind of people I meet. Yeah, you get it. Yeah, I'm not complaining. I'm just like, let's do this. Just like, let's do this. So I'll update you guys about everything. Don't worry, we're in this together. Yeah. So This is what you do to make your chapatis have layers. Yeah, you will see mine. So this is what I've done up to now, guys. You can see I'm just what I want to do is just start cooking now. Put them on fire right away. But before I do that, I want to fry these beans. I've cooked beans using the Jiko here, so I want to just fry this one time and then start cooking my chapatis right away, man. So I want to fry the beans just down here. Let me teach you a style that you can do. You don't need even to have onions, but you don't need even to have tomatoes. It will taste nice. It will taste nice. Just fry your onions, then keep some onions you will put later after putting your beans, you know. Yeah, so that's how you do it. It will smell nice. These onions, when you boil your beans until the soup is ready, the onions will make it smell so nice. It can work in any stew. You can just put your onions in that stew and it's done, man. Get the chicken. So after frying your beans, you know, you can just put some onions on top. This will give us nice smell, and then when you make it boil enough, it will have some nice taste, you know. So I'm cooking for myself and my mom. I will not put any spice because she has a very sensitive stomach. But I'll put chili on my plate when I serve my food. Wow, this is the end product now. See. Ooh. See. Layers, man. Layers. See? Nagago.